Looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2019 E-Class. Some predict the future. We prefer to build it. The Mercedes E-Class is an impressive ride, very smooth and punchy, and is priced below $35,000. This vehicle has less than 20,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: electronic stability control, alloy wheels, brake assist, sport package, four-wheel disc brakes, low tire pressure warning, tachometer, overhead console, driver vanity mirror, leather shift knob. If you like it online, you'll love it in your driveway. Take it for a spin today.